G'day, here's a small parcel of pieces of offcuts and small pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, materials being wetted. This is basically a good little parcel for somebody that wants to start to practice cutting boulder. I've just randomly scooped these out of a bucket, going through them as I talk to you. Something like that, grind down to see if there's much colour in this here, this layer here. Oops, sorry, gone off the screen. Okay, so most of these are just practice type material. A piece, nice bit of colour in here, just potch on the other side, piece of matrix, Koroite material, another piece of Koroite, a couple more bits. Anyway, there's a fair few pieces there, it's basically to practice with. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.